Choose the next construction to build.
Look, it's an old railroad. Let's find... We need to assemble the minecart. Done! Let's load the minecart. Keep up the good work. We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. Amazing! We need to assemble a garbage car. Let's mark the containers in the garbage car. Ready. The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. We need to fix a crack on the garbage car. Amazing! And now let's grind the scene. You're doing really great. Choose the same color as in the cloud to paint the stain. We did it! We need to assemble the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. That's all. Let's repair the railroad station. Let's wash the flat car. Ready. We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. That's all. Let's load the roof onto the crane with cargo bed. You're doing really great. Let's install new roof and windows. Let's weld a crack on the crane with cargo bed. That's all. Let's grind the welding seam. Don't stop. Look at the cloud and choose the same color on the spray gun. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble the bucket lift. Ready. Let's fuel the bucket lift. Pump. Don't stop. Let's install the station clock. Let's wash the bucket lift. That's all. We need to assemble the locomotive. We did it! Let's fuel the locomotive. Pump. Don't stop. We need to check the locomotive before the long journey. We need to wash the locomotive. That's all. We need to assemble the train. Go on. That's all. The station is working. Now wizards can go on a journey. Congratulations! We fixed the railroad and repaired the train station.